prepare for takeoff.
What's going on, guys? So what I'm about to do is I'm over here right now and I'm just gonna splice together my two videos from early today and now. Since I spent a lot of today trading, I don't want to go through like a bunch of separate videos, so I'm just gonna put the two videos together. It should be about 5 minutes. But what the market did today is we're in a very wide range of externally from Thursday. So here's Thursday where we were at the high. We came exactly to Thursday's high. Like, we didn't do anything special today, but the high starts at 48 and it goes as low as 36. But today we really just got to like the mid level, which is right here from where we pushed up at last night, which is 28. So we're in about a $2 range on SPY. So we're in about a $20 range on ES, and that's how that works. SPX is very similar as well. So since we're in that $20 range, did I say that correct? Is it? Yeah, since we're in that $20 range, the market's been trading in between here and here, and it's a massive amount of space to trade. But we started out high and we actually pushed down back to the low later in the afternoon. So we're in a range, we're in a zone. If you guys look, we're in between this line and this line here, and right now we're right in the middle of the two of those. So this would be like your internal market structure right here, and then this here and this here would be your external market structure, and this here would be your external market structure as well. But we had a very good trading day. We did manage to bring in $6,700 overall. You can see how insane this was. All the way down here, all the way up there, all the way back down here, ups and downs, just peaks and valleys. Massive pull down right here to a massive jump up instantly, which is this pulling down, and then this massive jump up here. And then you see where we got into like the majority of our trades was like late in the afternoon. What time is this right here? This is 1:15. So 1:15, which is a great time. It was a massive fall for us, and then we sold out as soon as that starts to pull back. You already know how I feel. If we go to a smaller time frame, you'll see the 200 EMA is there, and that's why I got out of that. I always, and I tell anybody who will listen to this, I get in and out of trades at the 200 EMA. If it pulls through the 200 EMA, sure, I'll take the wick. But as soon as we're back above that, I'm out of there. And that's exactly what happened here. We started selling out when we started to see that pullback. Very strong pullbacks make me nervous because there are plenty of times where this right here, you see all that, could have went right back up. So we could have came all the way down here and shot right back up. I never risked that. So once we break that 200 EMA, I just sell out, and then you can just get back in the 200 EMA once we break back through, which is what you saw here. And then we sold out on the other side on the pullback, and then we kept it moving down to here. We missed this massive push down right here to 23, but really we're trading in about a $20 range on this, and that's great money. That's $2,000 with 2 contracts. We traded 4 contracts a day. We've made it all the way to max contracts once we got in from the very top. It's all about finding those tops and those bottoms. The top right here is the same as that top on Thursday. And so we're gonna put these two videos together. I'm sorry I couldn't get a video of me losing the $600. I'm sure so many people would have wanted to see that, but you guys saw me lose before, so it's not that big of a deal, you know. But overall, we managed to pull in $6,700. But listen, I hope you guys had a good day. I gotta get out of here, and that's it for me. This is another full transparency trading session. I am your host, Sebastian, and I'm out. We are up 625 right now, but I'm thinking that the reversal has started, so I'm going to take profit here. What I'm going to do is just modify, and if we pull back, it will sell me out. And it is selling me out. So close that out. Take my 625, get 594 of that. On my second trade, got in one contract a little late. Actually, I got in over here, so I got in on time. I'm going to take the $50 from this here and just keep building this account up slowly. There's no need for me to do this. Just a little trade. Go ahead and close that out. 50 bucks taken there. I think that's it. Yeah, as far as my trades go, that's it. I'm going to do a micro real quick to the downside on one of my accounts. Just keep my trade days alive. So make sure we're in micros. Click on trade. We are going to the downside here. Actually, we'll go upside now because we're at the bottom already. Just $1. That's all you need, is just a $1 trade, and then we're just going to close out as soon as it becomes 0 or something else. Okay, that trade is up to 112. As you can see, we got in over here. The high is over there as well. $100, 112 is right at the 200 EMA. Normally I would sell at the 200 EMA, but we're approaching 830. And there could be a nice little move at 830. All right, guys, we're sitting at 250. I think about taking this 250. Okay, so we took the 250, guys. That puts us at 800. I can't focus. That puts us at $813 for the day. All right, guys, our trade is up to $1,100, $1,150. We are going to close out of this trade. Let me show you when we open this trade. We open this trade way over here, 4 contracts. Remember the same trade I set up this morning? It's at $1,300 now, and that is take profit. Guys, listen, I set this up in my sleep, okay? I'm setting these trades up in my sleep. I'm setting them at the right levels, and I'm just patiently waiting. It took profit without me doing anything. This is at 7 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up. I set this trade. I actually forgot to turn it off during the YouTube video that I made. That trade just made me $1,300. Okay, guys, we've had a great day copy trading. We made plenty of trades from early this morning, getting in at the highs, taking them on down to the lows, getting at the lows and taking it to, like, you know, the peaks, and then massive highs later on. Staying out of this choppy craziness over here on the 10 o'clock hour, but then getting back in 11. And the reason that I got in right here at 11 o'clock is I'll show you. If you just look to the left on your chart, right? You're following this white line here. This white line comes from Thursday. I need to go to the 15-minute, actually. It'll be a little easier to see. But that white line came from Thursday right here where this was the high. And I took that high down just like I did before, you know. And then, like, you see some of my past orders and stuff on there. But we ended up making over $6,000 today doing some very good trading. Let's go to the 15-minute. Doing some very, very good trades. Just down, up, up, down. Look at that beautiful green candle on the 15. Stayed away from this. As you see, I didn't make any trades. I don't like trading in the middle. It's very dangerous when you're trading those consolidation. Took great advantage of this trade here. I added maximum contracts to both of these. And then sold out on the little pullback down there. And the reason why is the ATR average trading range was actually holding true. Waited for us to break the average trading range and then took this to the downside, bouncing off of the 200 EMA. Taking it back up, and that was pretty much it for the day, guys. Had a couple more little trades right here at the end when the market closed. We were waiting for that, and then it was just beautiful trading day. And that brings us to, let's get our totals for you guys. Listen, we are not perfect, but we did manage to pull in 1563.
2 more dogs.
$1,314. Negative $631. Listen, no trading day is going to be perfect. I don't care how good you are, you're going to get it wrong. But by getting it wrong, I got all the rest of the trades right. The big dog, $3,033. We are over $5,000, heading to $6,000. Can we get $6,000? Well, let's find out. Can we? Yes, we can! $6,000!